Alright, so I'm not sure which audio source this is yet. It's supposed to be the Bluetooth device, but I think it's probably still the phone in my pocket, which probably can't hear me very well, but oh well. Alright. Alright. Second clamp. Okay, so the plan here is we're going to first of all put this steering shaft out of the way. Steering shaft doohickey out. Might have noticed it is 20 degrees out here and it snowed. And everything's frozen solid, so that's good. That helps. It helps for the realism. And my back doesn't want to bend either, so I have a hard time getting in here. So what do we want to do? Take this clamp off because it's not doing anything. Okay, that's solid. Just making sure. We got some safety blocking up there, and we got some regular blocking holding the car up. So between those two things, we'll be all right. All right, up over here, such as that I don't lose them. And they're lost already. I'll never remember where they're at. Oh, hey, I got an idea. So if I ask myself later, tell me that the clamps are on top of the car. That'll be cool. Neat. I have it on recording. Wow, it's too cold to be bending like this right now. Everything hurts. I'm old. Get off my lawn. Ah, crap. There goes my Mountain Dew. Oh, now I can see the bolts I need to remove. Alright, you get out of there. Well, at least I can see the bolts. Crap. Oh, there's still some left. Good. Alright. Okay, tooling. I got a honking extension, that's good. Set of sockets. And set of Soviet sockets. I had like a little table-y thing over here or something. Oh man. I'm getting old because this cold hurts. So the reason that all thread's in there is because I had to hold the steering straight while I banked this frame under it, and I didn't have a second person to do that. So I just kind of made something to do the job. Yeah. Let's see. Let's take all the bolts out of the motor mounts. I gotta get the mounts clear of the car. Well, actually, I gotta get the motor and the mounts clear of the car, clear of the frame. Hopefully, we got audio. Let's find out. Let's take a look. Looks like she's recording. Yep. All right, that's good. So I got a Bluetooth doohickey on my hat. It's supposed to be a mic, and it's supposed to be recording on this phone. I don't think it is, but I don't know. We'll find out when I play it back later and try to edit it and get all mad because it's not working right. Okay, I think it's the 3-quarter. Yeah. I got some cardboard or something around here to sit on. Man, this ground is unyielding. Yeah, cool. I got the right thing. Well, sort of. These Dodge motor mounts are kind of a pain in the ass too. Maybe I should redesign this while I'm at it. Seems how I'm going to have the whole thing out of the car. Yeah, this is going to have to get out of the way. Hopefully that nut's not seized on there. It's seized on there. Come on. Come on. There we go. Cool. Okay. This thing's in the way, naturally. Oh, it wasn't in the way before because there wasn't a car on top of it. That would explain things. Now it is in the way because the car is on top of it, and it's got a few other things in the way of that. Oh well, we'll work around it. Wow, that is some pain coming from that knee that's in contact with the ground. Perhaps I oughtn't to do that. Okay, so we need the Soviet equivalent to 3/4. What is that? That's probably like the second one down or the first one down or something. That's pretty cool. That feels better. sometimes you just got to go back to good old-fashioned 6011 stick. Well, that's about it for tonight. Got the mounts built and broke my welder. My little turd Harbor Freight that thing, the tip screwed up, the gun screwed up. It somehow internally welded the wire to the guide inside of there, and it yanked this piece of cable out, and now it don't work. So, well, it's not too bad for a weld, I suppose, for me. I mean, it'll hold. It'll hold a car up, or an engine up into the car. Maybe it won't. Yeah, it'll be alright. Oh, yuck. Ouch. Yeah, maybe I better re-weld that. Can you say slag inclusion? Good, I knew you could. Doesn't seem like this one had that problem, did it? Not really. It seems like, well, that's a big little booger too. It's all solid enough to hold an engine up into a car, so we'll leave her be for now. Alright, well that's it. Got the mounts built. I gotta go back to my shop down a little farther south of here and go drill the holes and the mounting plates. Once I got that did, I'll come back up here some other day, probably tomorrow, and see if we can bolt the engine back in farther forward. Hopefully she'll work out. If not, there'll be more episodes. Well, see you later.